Rosehip: benefits, uses, and side effects. Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical World by Dr. Adil Khan, your trusted source for evidence-based health information. Today, we're exploring a fascinating natural remedy that's been used for centuries but is often overlooked in modern medicine: rosehip. Did you know that rosehip contains 20 times more vitamin C than oranges? Or that it can help reduce joint pain and even improve skin health? In this video, we'll break down the science-backed benefits, best ways to use it, and potential side effects you should be aware of. So, let's get started. What is rosehip? Rosehip, also known as rose haw or Rosa canina, is the fruit of the wild rose plant. Unlike rose petals, which are used in perfumes and cosmetics, the small red-orange berry-like fruit is packed with powerful nutrients. It has been used in traditional medicine across Europe, Asia, and the Americas for treating colds, inflammation, and digestive issues. Today, it's available in multiple forms: tea, oil, powder, capsules, and even skincare products, each with its own unique benefits. Science-backed health benefits of rosehip. 1. Immune system booster. High in vitamin C and antioxidants. Rosehip is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, containing up to 20 times more than oranges per gram. Vitamin C is essential for strengthening immunity, fighting infections like colds and flu, enhancing iron absorption, promoting collagen production for skin health. It's also loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. 2. Reduces joint pain and inflammation, arthritis relief. A 2015 study published in the Australian Journal of Herbal Medicine found that rosehip powder significantly reduced pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis patients. Another study in Phytomedicine showed it can lower inflammatory markers like CRP, the key compound responsible, galactolipids, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. 3. Improves skin health, anti-aging, and scar healing. Rosehip oil is a skincare superstar. Rich in vitamin A, retinoids, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids, it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, fade scars and hyperpigmentation, moisturize dry skin, repair sun damage. A 2015 clinical study found that rosehip powder also improves skin elasticity and hydration. 4. Supports heart health, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Research suggests that rosehip may help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, improve blood vessel function, lower blood pressure due to its antioxidant content. A 2012 study in European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily rosehip intake reduced cardiovascular risk factors. 5. Aids digestion and gut health. Rosehip tea is a great digestive aid because it contains natural fibers that prevent constipation, soothes stomach inflammation, acts as a mild diuretic, helping with bloating. Side effects and who should avoid it. While rosehip is generally safe, some people should be cautious. Allergies, rare but possible. Rash, itching. Kidney stones. High vitamin C may increase oxalate risk. Blood thinners, warfarin users, rosehip may interact. Pregnancy, consult a doctor before use. Always start with small doses and monitor your body's response. Best ways to use rosehip. 1. Rosehip tea, immunity and digestion. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons dried rosehips in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey for taste. 2. Rosehip oil, skin and hair. Apply 2 to 3 drops directly to face or mix with moisturizer. 3. Powder supplements, joint and heart health. Take 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Check label for dosage. Outrow and call to action. So, will you be adding rosehip to your health routine? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.